So guys, today I'm cooking some Indian food to my family here in Africa. Shut up. This is basmati rice, guys. One of the most healthier, famous rice in India, and so costly also to buy. Okay, so I'm cooking for them what they call chana masala. Chana, guys. See, you know this? How do you call it? Yeah, this is famous in India. So I boil it. I'm frying the onion. After frying the onion with some carrot and pepper, then I will add this tomato paste and show you the result. Make sure to stay tuned in YouTube. I will show you the full vlog while testing the food also. Not me, guys. It's my favorite food, but I want to see my African family first reaction on testing Indian food. Stay tuned.